So the first thing you're going to notice about this is I've got it loaded sideways on the long arm. That's so that I can go all the way across from top to bottom. So the first thing I'm doing is I am going straight down the center of that chevron background. So now I'm going about halfway in between where that center line is and where the seam of my block is. So now we're going to fill in at that other quarter. We are in between the middle line and sort of this bottom part. So I don't always change threads, but I did for this one. Usually whenever I'm picking thread choices, a lot of times I just stick with white for everything. But in this case, that orange kind of helped set it apart. So for this first one, what I'm doing is you're seeing me kind of hug the side of my block, traveling through the point. All right, so I've got that top one done. So now I'm hugging the bottom, always transferring right where these points are. So now that I've got my two outsides completed, I need to now do one straight down the center. Now we are to that quarter. It's very similar to when we were quartering off for the background. I am now coming through and doing the quarter on the bottom. So that just goes to show you, you can have a custom quilted look without doing really fancy, complicated stitches.